So guys, today a weird thing happened. I feel like this video is gonna be too large, but I will try to cover the many aspects of this in a short time. Let's start with this. A day before, today is a day of my first paper of end sem. Yes, and for some subject, okay, that's fine. And uh, last night I watched a video, and that video says, like, the title is saying, like, stop manifesting, use this law instead. It's 1000x powerful. Okay, I'm saying okay, shit. Then thumbnail, I wrote, and it all happened as it is. Okay, so the concept is very clear. I will explain it in 16 seconds, 60 seconds. It's basically what she's explaining in that is like it's not law of attraction that you write or believe or visualize or assume the desire that you want to become a reality. It is a law of assumption. What she is demonstrating, or what she is saying, that it is law of assumption that works really fine. What she described is a 2 or day before her exam, she wrote a letter, or in her diary she wrote something like, uh, first of all, she make her believe or feel how it feels if she had a great paper in the sense exam, and she wrote it really well. She attempted every question with the right answer, and she is just in the flow that she can't stop. The pen is started writing on its own. I'm sorry, I'm not getting a very good set of words to describe this, but you can always understand. Okay, I'm trying. And this video is just analyzing and what happened if I tried that. Okay, this video is gonna be this way. And what she did is, what she wrote a letter assuming that it is already done. Suppose if her exam ends at 5 p.m., so she mentioned the time and date after he it's like assumption that she already given the exam. And now how it feels when it goes really great, when when a day or two before she was stressing how she will perform in that same exam, because the syllabus is not really there, or maybe she didn't revise it a few times, or she had no confidence. So what she do is, she wrote a letter assuming that it already went well, everything that the questions put in the paper, that she already knew. She knew everything, not like predicting, but what she have learned, that is already asked in the paper. And she wrote this with the date, time, when a paper ends, and how she feel about the paper, and thanking god and thanking universe, whatever it is you believe. Thanking She wrote like, thank god that I wake up early, thank god I carried every important thing that I wanted, that is needed for the exam. I reached the college well. Er, that's fine. I reached at college in time. uh, it's like she might suffer because of the traffic on the route uh, for going towards her college. That's why she's mentioning that uh, she reached time she reached at college in time, and then she said, I looked at the paper, I attempted every question in given time. It was really good. Thanks for this. My pen automatically started. I'm telling this again. i'm I don't find really good set of words to describe what she have said. Here's the video, I can play it. Maybe I can do the that one part, that part only. Copyright नहीं चाहिए. So basically we'll skip this, okay? Fine.
Please start assuming good. Law of assumption कि मैं ये लिख देती थी. Hey universe, surprise me with the magical law paper. Now, the paper was so easy. Exam went really, really well, and now I'm confident.
Cameraman,
about
focus
getting
करो.
my degree. Thank you so much, universe. अब क्योंकि जब आप इसे पूरा कर रहे हो, you are applying some technique. You are playing on that 1% probability, but we have got the human mind. जब आप एक संकल्प करते हैं तो साथ में
She was saying, एक सेकंड कैमरामैन फोकस करो. Okay, so she was saying that every sankalp has a vikalp. Right away when you decide to do a sankalp means a decision or a goal that you decide to do, a procedure basically a decision that you decided to make it happen. Every time you think that this is the plan, this will you do, the mind works this way to avoid. It has been evolved in this way to make us more do less harming things and do less work. Basically it's that's fine. I'm not going to explain it in deep, but basically when we take a decision we already think of what if it fails. So what that she was saying, but it is not the case. She was 100% clear that it happened, and that's that's really that's a main thing, I think, that if you visualize, or if you had that little doubt in your mind while writing this letter that you're going to write, it might not work maybe. And that's the whole thing. And at the end, she wrote that, surprise me with the amazing law paper, something like that. So that means there is a 90% probability of that this will not work, that this will not go as planned, but there is still 10% chance that this will happen. Why should I not bet on that 10? Why should I always be critical rational about it? It's not. She had already cleared it that it is not about hoping. It is just that you felt that you already have achieved, and you also have to do the work. You also have to do the actions for it to happen. It's not like you're not studying and just sitting and saying, okay, this will happen. My question paper will be fine and I will do a great job. I will get this 95% marks and all that shit. Basically she's not saying like that. She's saying that if you're actively trying for something, and that's fine. So basically what happened is, I have decided to do this in very short, but it becomes a 9-minute long video. I don't know how, because maybe I don't have a script, but that's a raw and real thing about my video. Next thing I want to talk about is what happened to me. Same thing, if it's same or not, don't get it. don't get it wrong at the first, don't guess it right, watch it till the end. I will summarize in very fast. What I did is, I said I have the same thing, because the probability of this video occurring in my feed right after, when the same thing, like she mentioned a day before she did that, and the the time I was watching is the exact day before my exam, which is today. Today I was talking about the last night, and I watched this, and I decided, if I have to imagine a certain state, or to feel the emotion, that it is already been done, going this is surely happened. So my mind should be clear, because I'm a very bad kind of overthinker, which means I'm very aggressive, and my mind, I cannot direct my thoughts, okay, I cannot observe it. I sometimes go with the flow and exaggerate the daydreaming, something basically. So what I think is, what if I calm myself, make me myself calm, and try to do that, because if I do it very carelessly, that might not work. So what I did is, I take 20 to 30 set of 10 deep breaths, with focusing on my breath, inhaling, exhaling. And I think that's fine, because there is no perfect time to start, because I do things that I wanted perfection. That's why it take a lot of time and effort, maybe sometimes chance uh, left, the opportunity I miss, just because I wanted to start a perfect. That's why I said, that's it, I will go for it. I close my eyes and imagine that how 3:50 today, 12 December 2025, 3 5:30 p.m., how it would be if everything goes right, and how she wrote her letter, or her that page in her diary, with the date and time. I did exactly write that, and I might upload I might upload or not, but I would really like to read it for you guys. First line, it is like 12 12 25, and I said, I wrote the time of 4 32 p.m. It's like 4:30 exam ends, and 4:32 I imagined like I am in a corridor basically, and I have not written that. It's like, it starts with like, thank God the universe that today's paper was so easy that I was unable. The fuck, I literally write unable. But this is not UN unable. It's like a switch enable. EN. If you can watch, you can see here. See this. Array. I enable E. Okay, I will write the spelling here. Okay, editing में हो जाएगा भाई. कोई बात नहीं. So it's like कि unable to write. It's not that unable UN. It's like switch unable to write each and every question needed within time. What the fuck, what type of grammar I had. Second passage, thank God that I woke up at 6 a.m. That I did. At morning I wrote. I was feeling fresh and excited the the I went direct I went to the to the washroom, and I had clear stomach. Afterwards I bath. What the fuck? I'm so pathetic, man. This is shit. Who taught me English? please, please don't do ulta sida, because I'm just trying. That's fine, that's fine. Let's get clear. Video is getting longer and longer. I don't want that. I hate that. I went to the washroom. I take bath, did my shave, which I did, which is a trim, not shave, with perfect trim, which didn't happen. And what I was said earlier, feeling fresh and excited, I didn't, because it is a winter season, and I feel like, so I, what can I say, भाई साहब. सो गोदडी घेतली अंगावर आणि तिथंच पडून राहिलो. असं वाटतंय 5 मिनिटं अजून, 5 minutes more, 10 minutes more, प्लीज. आय डोंट वॉन्ट गेट आउट ऑफ माय बेड or outside my blanket. How to call this, man? Please comment down below where I get wrong. I mean, comment section would be the passage that. Fuck. Perfect trim, then pressed and wear the uniform. Inform लिखा है भाई, inform लिखा है, inform. Check hall ticket that I did, I card, get the book and on left on time and reach in time for college. I really thankful. I revised all theory fast and started solving problems. I really covered all problems. किधर लिखा है? शपथ. Problems, algorithms, and pseudocode. Thank God I was attentive, fresh, and hydrated. Tragedy. That's why I'm here. Okay, so what happened is, I wrote there that I checked for hall ticket, I checked for iCard. That's true, but I went 2.5 kilometer. My father dropped me at the bus stop, which is away from my home, approximate 2.5 kilometer. And then I saw my female friend's message that, did you solve the questions? And I thought, what should I reply that? I think that, no man, the matrix multiplication is so tough. And that time I remember, I need my calculator for that, and I didn't check that. Okay, so what I did is, this is the time, if I pom pom get on, if I get on the bus for my college, which is 20 kilometer away from the bus stop, that would be hard for me to go back home. But I decided that it would take me an half hour if I left the bus stop now and go towards my home, get my calculator and put it in, and get back to the bus stop, and then go to the college. That would somehow take 30 minutes or 45 minutes, and that's okay, because I am leaving at uh, 8:30 a.m. So that would make me reach at college uh, 10 a.m. Okay, so I decided I can do that, but I was thinking in my mind, this is off script, this is out of the plan, this is off script, this is out of the plan, we should not do that. But I still did. Because I made some calculations that it would be hard for me to get a calculator from a junior. There might be chances that there is no junior present in the college, and then uh, so it would be better to get my calculator. So I get my calculator, reached home, and then, I mean, first reached home, check for my calculator, and something clicks me. I think I came too long for this calculator, and this is so old that I get second hand from my senior. And what if this has low battery? And I check that, check open, not working, not working. I mean, like, I wasted my half and 45 minutes to come back to break the script, which is not really on point. But I was hoping that some changes would not affect the end product. Okay, so that was the first time that I break the script. If I was not get back home and reached college, I can still manage to get the calculator. Literally for one sum I need that. And some, that means a question, numerical question, that need that, but that was so lengthy. It is predictable that I I will not do that. Okay, I reached there, cut straight forward to the point. The paper was okay, as I mentioned, but everything that I have learned, I know I was capable of writing each and every question, means attempting the all paper problems that is needed. But what happened is time constraint. I didn't able to manage my time at the well. I didn't performed well, and I feel like I'm so upset because at this time I feel like, yes, I can do this. Yes, I can do this. Yes, I can do this. Then I feel like I figured out I can do attempt whole paper. But now it's just like at the end I messed up, and I left half two questions of half. I feel like if I complete one, then there might be chance of leaving the 8 marks. So I attempted half this way and I attempted half this way, and it felt like, why I did this, man. The other the other people attempted the whole paper and I still didn't, just because that I'm unable to manage my time, and that is happening from years. It's like, it's 4 years, man. It's like I'm final year student. It's been 4 years, then 12th and 11th and 10th, and this is started from ninth. It's like in ninth I left 30 marks Marathi paper, 30 marks in final. Can you imagine that? Me me why I'm telling, exaggerating me myself, it's not ego, but it's like, yes, I'm capable. Yes, I can do that. And why didn't I did? I, why can't I manage my time? And that's make me, I feel like, if we write this sequentially, if we fucked up in between, if we messed up here, will that change this outcome? What do you think? That was the main question of this video. I just feel like really worthless. I feel like there is no luck for me. There is only suffering. I suffered a lot. I stressed a lot, even after the paper is gone. But now I will do one thing. I will literally prepare each and every question with writing. Huh? Hello. हाँ. तो I got 2 days, literally 2 whole days, like tomorrow, day after tomorrow, and day after tomorrow is my exam. So basically, I have a lot of time to manifest or to assume that it happens, and I literally have zero coverage syllabus for this subject. So I'm starting fresh. So what I will do is, today I will write today also with minimum details, like I have attempted the all paper, I have attempted it clearly, everything, just about paper, nothing about the day, because maybe day might change. And I will do it tonight, I will do it tomorrow night, I will do it day after tomorrow night, day after tomorrow night, and then third day, that day will come, and we will reveal if the method works or not. Let's do this. And one thing I observed about myself, I made a conclusion that if I if one day I make if one day I make if one day I avoid working hard, that will make me work more months or more years of my career. That's it.